When you put them together yourself, they look nice. Pro status. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm washing these flowers.
Are you helping make mommy's flowers?
Yeah.
Oh, there she is. Babe, would you rather me buy your flowers or make them?
Make them.
Why?
Because you're doing it with love.
Is that why you're so in love with me?
Please don't make me lie to the camera right now. God doesn't like liars. Oh, Lord.
Look at Mom. I'm washing the flowers. This one's all done.
Sometimes God says just to walk away instead of being this.
Bye.
Hello. Everyone's gonna do duck.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm gonna look at the fire thing.
Clean them off?
Yeah, so they can get dirty. But why have to get them dirty though?
You have to clean them because they got dirt on them.
Oh, but now why are they getting dirt?
Because they came from the fields where they grew them or where they grew them. You gotta go to scissors.
Huh?
Hey, my phone.
I can touch your scissors, Dad.
No, baby, they're too sharp.
I never touch your scissors. I'm cleaning them so they can get dirty. Clean up. I'm getting clean up. And this one's clean. You love me. You love me. Love you. You keep it.
I think we got a good system going on. Huh.
Yeah.
We're doing a good job cleaning them?
Yeah. I'm stirring them too so they can make all clean. Learn how to put them on there?
Yeah, look, we put them all together. They look pretty yet?
Not yet.
Not yet?
No.
Yes, they do.
Daddy!
Yeah. Are you recording? Finally, I get some airtime. No.
I was going to take a picture but from a distance.
Oh,
How'd you get wet?
she's helping me.
You're staying in those clothes.
Look, Elizabeth, they're done. The garden, baby. Yeah, but look at your garden needs water so it'll grow. And that's just gonna make mud. The garden, baby. You want Daddy to water?
No, I got it, Dad.
The garden. Alright, I'm coming for it. Watering them good?
Yeah, I am.
Water the little one that we just planted.
Oh, which one? This one?
Over there.
That one?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. You get it all the mud off. Why do you be so funny, Dad?
Okay, so I guess it goes 2 miles, but there's this screw that we undid, and it's supposed to make the car go faster, so we're gonna test it out. Hold on, don't go yet. Okay, wait, not ready yet. Okay, put it forward. Yeah. Remember forward, no, the other way. Yeah, now try it. Whoa! Come back. It's way faster.
Baby.
Well, at least it's a lot faster and not just like a little bit. Good job.
Mommy's turn. I'll break it. Mommy exceeds the weight by herself.
Whoa.
Careful. Alright. It's not gonna go fast though. Mommy wants to see how fast it goes. Oh.
Careful, baby. Don't hurt yourself.
See you later, suckers.
Whoa. Get him, baby, get him. Oh! That sounded like an axle.
Careful, baby. It's a little fast. What broke it?
Huh? I think it just hit the fender. The dirt. Go hit that bump again you hit over there. Uh-oh.
See how fast it goes now. Because now you're exceeding the weight limit. Ready? Better hold on, baby.
Oh, that's not bad.
Still goes fast.
What is the weight limit?
130. Each kid can do 75 pounds.
Careful with your neck. Oh, she got better on that one. Man, she got good. Careless. Carelessly good. Oh! She crashed. Back up, man. She hit that.
Push it all the way back.
She hit that corner hard, man.
Okay?
Now go forward.
Careful. Okay, now go back a little.
She got mad. Other way. Turn the wheel the other way.
Yeah, now stop. Look. There you go. Careful.
You gotta look where you're going, baby. What'd you get?
The one that I asked for about the Sabbath. He's been recording us all day. Does it work good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tio Ernie and Tia Daniela got us a table for Elizabeth.
So cute. Those are freaking adorable.
Well, where's Theo's prize?
Where's Theo's price?
These are your 99-cent store finds?
Dad, Mommy, look at it. It's so pretty. I like it.
Can I paint too?
Then what are you going to sit at?
Oh, that chair's kind of dirty. I'll sit over here.
Okay, then which one you want, Daddy? Dad, you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one. Okay, but Mom, get him a paper. He wants one.
So, what'd you draw, Elizabeth?
A turtle, right there.
It's a turtle? It's a red turtle?
Yes.
What'd you draw, babe? Sugarfoot?
Let's start with me.
Is anyone gonna ask me what I drew?
No, we're not.
I am.
What?
You draw.
Ask me what I drew.
You draw a mom.
Oh, well, what it is, the other day when we went on our walk, this is us in the field, and here's all the lammies. Remember the lambs, baby?
Yeah. That was the mom lamb. That was the baby one. That was the mom. That was the dad. That was the baby.
Yeah, this is me
Yeah.
with my staff, and that's you. Oh, that's mommy, and that's you. And those are our lammies.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. So I'm drawing a turtle. I'm drawing a family, and I don't know what to draw.